So guys, here's the proof that the air layering works. Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to show you how to grab papaya tree using air layering. So come join me and let's get started. First, I'm gonna show you I got mixed potting soil here in the bag. And then I got my clean knife here, sanitized already. And let's go start it. First, we're gonna cut. I wanna graft it over here, so we'll do some cut like that around. Like that, and then we'll take the skin. I think it's easy to just slide it like that, clean. You're gonna clean this like that. I think that's good enough. So now I'll clean this, and then we will split, like cut the middle of this so that we can put it in there. And then we have our string. We need 3 maybe. There you go. So we'll do it right now. I'm gonna make sure it fits properly. Cover the whole thing. one more. That one is a little loose. And there you have it, grafting using air layering. So let's see, we have to wait 2 weeks and we will check it if there's roots already, and I'll show you guys if it root or not. So guys, our papaya tree that I air layered a couple of months ago is already rooted. So what we're gonna do now is cut it from here. Sharp one. So guys, here it is. Here's the papaya and here's the roots. So we're gonna unwrap it and I'll show you. We're gonna open it now. Like that. Then I'll show you guys. So guys, here's the proof that the air layering works. So what we're gonna do now is we will plant it. I got already potting soil here. We're just gonna put hole in the middle like that. And we'll just plant it. Like that. So here it is now guys, our pretty papaya propagated through air layered and very healthy. Here you go guys. So guys, this is what it looks like now after 3 years of air layering and planting it to the big pot. She's got one bud now, but she's inside indoors because of the winter coming soon. So she's thriving really well and she's so tall. So papaya air layering works guys. I thought before it's not gonna happen, but it really works. So you can try it guys if you want. Happy planting and gardening.